1995 SC400. Really beautiful car. Only got 93,000 miles on it. Got a nice body kit on it. Really beautiful car. Here's what we got done on it. So I got two factory converters right there and there. Then it had a third converter there, and we didn't like that. So we did two high flow cats in its place. And then the customer requested a double X pipe like the Corsa systems come with. Right there and right there. Then 2 1/4 pipe all the way back, true dual. There and there. Into 4-inch burnt tips. Blue flame tips. Right there and right there. Beautiful. There's the double X pipe. Came out really pretty. I like it. Tell us what you guys think in the comments. If you want the X pipe or the high flow cats, there'll be a link in the description. Also, hopefully for the tips if we can find them. Let you guys see it in a second. Let you guys hear it. There it is. As you guys can see, not a scratch on it. It's really clean. Sound decibels, go ahead. Wow. Yeah, something to start doing again. I like it. From the side. Beautiful car. Let you guys hear on the inside. Lexus SC400.